Do you want to get your saddles and tack repaired or conditioned or fixed or restored or cleaned, that kind of a thing, but you don't want to have to pay those shipping fees as well as nobody's around to do it? Watch this video. We're going to give you a huge shipping solution along with we do all the work. Hi everybody, this is Patty the Leather Lady again with a Patty's Penny, I can't even say it, Patty's Penny Pinching Corner, or just another YouTube video to save you some money. All right, so we're going to be talking about shipping today. Shipping large boxes like your saddles, whether it's a Western saddle, English saddle, tack, and things like that, how to save you a bunch of money. So if you want to get your saddles repaired or restored or anything like that, please email us first to make sure that it is something that we can do. Send us some pictures. That's really, really helpful to us. However, the way to ship them, I'm going to save you a bunch of money. So if you were to go to the UPS store or FedEx or whatever, it's going to cost you basically a residential fee. I'm a business, so I can help you save money in that way. What do? Super simple. All you're going to do is UPS requires us to have a length of a box, the width of a box, and then the depth of the box. So you're going to have a big box if it's a saddle, so you're going to measure one way, and the third way. And you send us those. If you would do L for length, W for width, and H for height, that will tell us exactly the size of the box. Now, we need to know the weight of the box. Super, super simple. If you have a scale at home, dust it off, because a lot of the times we don't use them because we don't want to see what our weight is, right? Me included. So all you're going to do is stand on that scale, get your weight, okay? And then you're going to turn around, grab the box, pick it up, and stand there with it on the scale. Now, that's going to be a big box. Maybe you'll need some help. How you'll hold the box, somebody will read how much it is, and then all you're going to do is subtract your physical weight. So that first weight that you got from that, and that'll tell us how much the box weighs, okay? Unless you have a shipping scale, then that would make it 10 times easier. Most of us do not. I have a little one for all our little products, but I have to do the same thing when it comes to our luggage or anything like that. So two things, that's all we need is your dimensions and your weight. And the third thing is your address. So we need to know where we're going to be shipping it back to, plus we need the address, at least the city, state, and zip code to get a quote, all right? You will email us the dimensions and the weight of the box and the address where you are so that we can know exactly if you're East Coast, Midwest, West Coast, and then we will actually send you a prepaid label. So why is that any different than what you do? Because our costs are a lot less than what yours are. So the way that you'll get the prepaid label in two ways. So the prepaid label will come in a piece of paper, especially if you don't have a label printer. Most of us don't. So it'll come on a piece of paper. You'll just cut that out and slap that on the box and away it goes. But here's the other label, okay? This is a label that you can print out on a label printer. That'll be the second way you'll receive a label. So if you have a UPS mail room or anything like that, just go drop it off there and get a receipt so that you make sure you get a receipt so you know that you shipped that box, okay? And when we receive the box, we will email you and let you know, hey, your box has arrived. And now we need a 50% deposit so that we can get started on it. What does that deposit cover? It usually covers the cost of goods to fix whatever it is that we're fixing or our labor costs when we get ready to ship it back. Okay, so prepaid label, make it easy peasy. You go ahead and take it to the UPS store and on away it goes. When your saddle, your tack is done being repaired or restored of that nature, easy peasy. We send it back to you, no work. We take all the work out of it, so you don't have to. So you just have to do the dimensions and the weight of the box, and that's it. And get it in there. We'll send you the label, send it on its way. All right? Then the other thing too is when we're done, we will send you an invoice. That invoice must be paid prior to us shipping it out. And you will get a notification that your product has shipped out. We will try to ship them back in the same box if it's not damaged when we receive it. To be able to get your things repaired, maybe you have something of very sentimental value grandma's saddle or mom's saddle, they're now passed on, you want to get it restored. We do this all the time. So easy solution for you to ship your items anywhere in the United States. And if you're coming from Canada, please let us know that you're Canada so that we can figure out the customs if there's anything in that. All right? I hope this was helpful and save you a lot of money. I hope you enjoyed this. Please go to our website at theleatherladyllc.com or our YouTube channel, The Leather Lady LLC. See you on the next video.